Some animals run, some animals swim, some animals fly in the sky. Let's learn about all different animals and learn their animal signs. Dog, dog, this is how you sign dog. It has a nose for smelling, a tail for wagging. This is how you sign dog. Cat, cat, this is how you sign cat. It has big eyes and claws to climb. This is how you sign cat. Bird, bird, this is how you sign bird. All birds have wings, but some can't fly. This is how you sign bird. Squirrel, squirrel, this is how you sign squirrel. It can really leap and climb up trees. This is how you sign squirrel. Some animals run, some animals swim, some animals fly in the sky. Let's learn about all different animals and learn their animal signs. Horse, horse, this is how you sign horse. It can run fast, it's fun to ride. This is how you sign horse. Pig, pig, this is how you sign pig. Rolls in the mud to get cool, is really smart too. This is how you sign pig. Cow, cow, this is how you sign cow. It gives milk to you and likes to moo. This is how you sign cow. Chicken, chicken, this is how you sign chicken. It has a curved beak and 2 wings. This is how you sign chicken. Some animals run, some animals swim, some animals fly in the sky. Let's learn about all different animals and learn their animal signs. When you subscribe, you support our channel. It's easy and free.